Hi, if you want to change font style on your iPhone 16e, then open Settings on the phone. From here, select General section, scroll a bit down and pick Fonts. Now you can go in System Fonts and find all of the installed fonts. Some of them you need to additionally download. If you can see this arrow, then you can tap it and install this type of font. But unfortunately, right now there is no way to set different font for the whole iPhone's interface. It only works for Mail app. So you can pick it, find regular options, how it will look, as well as italic, bold. We can also check bold, italic, and here we can remove it. So if you want to change font, you can go in Mail, create new mail, write down something, then you need to select this text right here and click on those two A's to change format. Now you can click default font and switch to any other option from the list. For example, we can pick this one, and this is how it will look. You can also make it italic. You can also use the lines like that. So basically, changing font works only for Mail app right now. And yep, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.